Hello everyone, my name is Rahim Asum Raja and I would like to talk about market updates and MarketSmith portfolio review. So in this video, I will provide the recap of last week market performance along with the key highlights from our MarketSmith portfolio. We will also take you through the latest move in our model portfolio and spotlight the trend and stocks that deserve your attention in the days ahead. Our aim is to deliver clear, practical insights that are easy to understand, whether you are an experienced investor or just starting out, so you can focus on what truly matters this week. So let's dive in. So market smith updates. So first of all, I would like to update about market status based on only methodology. So we are in the confirmed uptrend with 7 distribution days. On June 11, Nifty reclaimed its recent high at 25,116 and even in the last week as well. So, and is now trending firmly above its all key moving average, signaling a strong resurgence in the bullish momentum. As a result, the overall market condition has been upgraded from uptrend under pressure to confirm uptrend. And the last week, we have added one stock from auto manufacturer, and we are having 17 stocks in our model portfolio. So we have seen that the index is actually trading in the sideways in the start of the week from the past 4 days. But last day of the week, on the Friday especially, the investor sentiment was strengthened by the RBI relaxation of provision norms for project loans. The rally was further supported by short covering activities as well. And we have seen that all major sectors and broader market indices closed in the positive territory, resulting in favorable advanced decline ratio of 2 is to 1, reflecting broader market participation. So these are the actually main reason. And we have seen that on Monday it was just opened above its 21 DMA, and it has also given the close on above that. But after these 3 days of lagging, or we can say staggering market sideways move, the investor sentiment got dented out. But Friday sentiment again, overall participation and the demands has actually increased, and obviously the supporting provision by the RBI has also strengthened market sentiment. So overall sentiment as of now of Nifty 50 is actually looking good, and it is trading above its all key moving averages, and it is in the bullish trend. So this was about Nifty 50. Apart from that, we are our analysts actually are monitoring some of the stocks which looks appealing and might give breakout in the upcoming days. So one is Indus Tower. So Indus Tower is actually forming handle now because formation of the cup has already taken place. So let's see whether this cup with handle based formation is giving breakout or not, because it is just 4% to the pivot level. Once the stock broke out with above average volume and everything in line with the at the right place in terms of market and volatility as well, so we might think of these stocks in upcoming days in this tower. The next stock is Piramal Enterprise. So Piramal Enterprise is again looking good. It has given the breakout as well, but the breakout was failed, and again the stock went under the consolidation phase. And from past 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, you can say the stock is trending with sideways or short-term consolidation after reaching its recent high of 1207 here. Let's see how this stock behavior and price action turns, and based on that, we might take an action. The next stock is Max Wealth. Max Wealth is also looking appealing, and it is forming base with consolidation base, but still it is 1% away from the pivot level. And let's see how the volume turns up for this, because overall setup of this Max Wealth is also looking good. This is action inside the base. The next one is endurance technology. So in the endurance technology is consolidating consolidating from the long time, and almost we can say like 1 year we can say, because from the June 13 to 2024, The stock has made the high, and after that it went in the long consolidation. So now the stock is actually showing resilience, and if you look at its the low, it has formed 1775. Again, it has increased its bar and it has formed 1700 low. And then again, it is actually forming 1840 of low. So we can say that a stock is forming higher high now. So let's see how this stock price action turns up and whether the stock is trying to have the breakout or not, because it is 16% to the pivot level as of now. So it is a matter of time. We need to monitor it. Now, I always talk about this O'Neill market view. So, O'Neill market view is the broader perspective of analyzing the market, where you can have the global market view and its market direction or market status. And apart from that, you can see the stocks that are actually looking in the particular sectors, which a stock is doing good, and what are the stocks that is forming base, or what are the stock that is showing resilience in terms of price action. For an example, if you look at the chemical agriculture, then these are the stocks that you can look upon. If you're looking at the finance investment management, then obviously you can look at these particular stocks, and so on, like real estate developments. Then you can see that Arcade and DLA Prestige. So these stocks are actually doing phenomenally good in this particular sectors, apart from other stocks as well. So overall market is in the confirm uptrend. So investors action plan is like, if the market is in the confirm uptrend, is the best time to be in the stocks. The market is showing a strength and the most stocks moves higher. This is when investors have the highest probability of making profit. So here what we recommend, like focus on fundamentally strong stocks breaking out of sound patterns. Check out the stocks that our analysts are watching. Increase exposure as long as the market and your stocks continues to show strength. And our analyst obviously will highlight any major shift in the trend in our daily market commentaries. So stay disciplined and follow proper buy and sell rules. So this is the wrap for the market updates. And if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more market insights. So stay disciplined, stick to your strategy, and trade wisely. See you next time. So thank you so much for watching the video.